What's up, guys? Just driving down a dark, desolate road. No, I'm joking. I'm actually just making a big circle, testing out a couple of things on this radio. Showing 35. It's bouncing from 33 to 35 on here. So, I mean, it's accurate-ish. It's not 100%, but it's accurate-ish. You know, I got my cruise set. Once I get on a gravel road here, I'll open it up a little bit. But it's starting to warm up. It's only 6:44. People could still be out, so I'm not trying to fly through here. Speed limit through here is 30. I'm doing 5 over. Big deal, you know. But once I get on this gravel road and I'm in between houses, there's a straight little stretch where no one lives, and so I can get on it a little bit and see how accurate this thing really is. Alright, so let's see here. Once I pass, there's going to be a house on my left here. Once I pass that, I'm going to open it up and see how accurate this thing really is. Alright, there's no one outside, so let's go. Alright, so I'm doing about 60. Actually, that's 59. Yep. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's still soupy back here. Let me slow down. But yeah, this thing's pretty accurate. So I like that. And I also figured out how to get my whatever you call this navigation. I've got it to where it reads offline. It's Google, so it still shows I'm signed in even though I'm not. But that's bright as hell, and I don't want that in my face. But yeah, that's a pretty cool feature to be able to have a speedometer on the radio. I really like that. And I'm wondering what happens if I tap the radio. Oh, it brings Google back up. Cool. Google Maps, Google Maps. So that is really cool. Yeah, I'm offline. It says it looks like you might be offline, or it looks like you're offline. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna try and see if I can share my internet via Bluetooth, because I know I don't have hotspot on my radio or on my phone. So I'm gonna see if I have the ability to share my internet via Bluetooth, so while I'm out, I'll be able to use the features like the Google Maps, or even my Chrome, YouTube, or any of that. If I have to, I can get one of those little MiFis, because I'm with Verizon. I can get like a little MiFi portable Wi-Fi device, and I believe you can prepay. And if that's the case, then, you know, $20 a month, you know, just use what we need, and we could take it with us and be able to have internet wherever, you know, the thing picks up a signal. That would be pretty cool. and that's also an option. But I'd like to see if my phone has the capability of sharing internet via Bluetooth, and if that's the case, then there's no need to do all of that. But yeah, I'm just pretty excited that I'm starting to figure this thing out a little bit more and more each day. And so of course I'll be bringing you guys updates. But I'm going inside because I'm hungry. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Later, Gators.